Work can really drain the life out of you, like a vampire. But instead of sucking out your blood, it drains your energy. And this process of waking up, going to work, and going back home to sleep is a seemingly endless torturous cycle that we're stuck in. We can't even enjoy our days off and vacation leaves because we still worry a lot about work. But ladies and gentlemen, this is not how you live life. You are not born just to suffer and be stuck between four corners of despair, working and toiling away while never earning enough. But let's change that. There's actually a way for you to earn money in the laziest way possible. You barely have to do anything that stresses you out. It's pretty easy, it's free, and it's available worldwide. This method is available for everyone around the world and it pays a lot of money. But make sure to stick with me and watch the entire video because a lot of people who already tried this method barely earned any money. And that's because they kept on skipping some parts of the video thinking that they fully understand the whole process. So let's go get it. But before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to know how to make money online. The easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now let's get right into the video. Let's go to latium.org, that's ltium.org. Once you're there, on one of the tabs up top, click on Browse and then Browse Projects. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to the Featured Projects page. And as we explore the page and start scrolling down below, you can see that there are multiple project offers for freelancers to work on. And you can see that the reward offers are worth quite considerably large. This project here has a budget that starts from $2,500 to $5,000. This one is up to $3,000. And if you keep on scrolling down, you can see that there are more projects, and as a matter of fact, the projects are almost endless. Now remember that this is available worldwide, so I'm sure that you'll be able to earn money here. Anyway, on the left hand side you can see the various categories available. They have surveys, graphics and design, translation and languages, video, audio, and more. Now if you want to, you can actually check out the other categories, but in this video, I will help you out on what projects are the best, easiest, and worth your time to earn money. And for that, we will choose graphics and design. And in here, you'll be able to see the different high-paying projects like designing logos, NFT art, character design, and more. You can also see how much you can get possibly paid, from hundreds to thousands of dollars. You will also be able to see in what currency and what way you will be paid in, either with US dollars or euros or even cryptocurrency. And if you can imagine yourself having a fantastic financial freedom without always pausing to think about money, then this surely is going to help you on vacations. Buy whatever you like and pretty much knock yourself out with all the money you have. But of course, before you can work on a project, we have to make sure that you will get paid. And for that to happen, you need to register and sign up for an account. So to sign up to Latium, on the homepage, you have to click on I want to work, since we want to become a paid freelancer. After clicking that, all you need to do is put in your email address and click on continue. Or if you want a faster and quicker way, you can just sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account by clicking on the buttons down below. Oh, and by the way, if you're learning a lot from this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Up until now, you might still be worried and asking yourself questions like, how do I make a logo? Where do I download the tools and software? You might also be worried that you're not skilled at all with graphics and design. Well, I do have the perfect website to help you make these logos, and it's 100% free. No investments or subscriptions needed. In this website, you'll have a ready and done for you template, so even if you're as unskilled as a rock in the middle of the desert, you will still be able to design a logo. This website is called freelogodesign.org. It's a free online logo maker. This online tool will help you make logos and it's for free. But you have to sign up first so that when you're done with your editing, you will be able to download your design. And to sign up, all you have to do is type in the necessary details like your first name, last name, email address, and more. Then just click on create an account. Alternatively, you can also use your Facebook or Google to sign up. Once you're done, go back to Latium, pick up a project looking for someone to make a logo. After clicking on the project, you will see the name of the company or client, a few details about the project, and finally the instructions down below. And once you've accepted a task, you can go back to free logo design and enter the company's name whose logo you're about to make. After that, you'll be brought to the editor editor where you can select the type of logo, which by the way is already done for you and masterfully made. Of course, you want to refer to the instructions given to you, and you want to make sure that the logo you're making also matches the theme or type of company. There are categories you can choose from to find the perfect fit for the company logo. After you've chosen a template, you can actually change a lot of things and adjust them, like the color, you can resize, you can add and remove shapes, and you can also move them apart or closer and add more text. It's very easy and convenient to use, and you should be able to design a logo in mere minutes, not even beyond 10. After you're done editing and designing, all you have to do is save the image and download it. It should be directly saved to your computer automatically. You can then submit it and get paid. Since you're still here and watching, here's an extra tip for you. You can actually go to Fiverr.com. Fiverr is also a freelancing website with a lot of clients looking for graphical logo designs. You can check out the available jobs and projects and also how much they pay, and then you can get started. There's a lot of competition, so the earning won't be as big as Latium, but it's also good if you're looking for an extra buck. Some clients here also have a decent pay, so you might want to try it out and explore a bit more. Before we end, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Smash the like button and leave a comment down below.